The holiday season is one of the most joyful times of the year, but it can also be one of the most expensive. With gifts, decorations, holiday meals, and travel, the costs can really add up. Today, I'm sharing some budget-friendly tips to help you save money this Christmas and New Year's, from gift giving to holiday meals and even finding deals on toys for kids. Let's dive in. Creating a holiday budget is essential to avoid overspending. Begin by listing all your expected expenses, such as gifts, meals, travel, and decorations. Assign a spending limit for each category, and track your expenses to ensure you stay within budget. Tools like budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets can make this process easier. Remember, every dollar saved in one area can go toward another or remain in your pocket. Shopping early not only spreads out your expenses, but also allows you to snag great deals during sales like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Make a shopping list and plan what to buy for each person on your list. Stay alert for store-specific discounts and flash sales, which can offer significant savings. Subscribing to retailer newsletters can also give you access to exclusive promotions and coupon codes. Take advantage of cashback and rewards programs to save money on holiday purchases. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Swagbucks can help you earn back a percentage of your spending. Many credit cards also offer cashback or reward points, which can be redeemed for discounts or gift cards at participating stores. Use these savings to stretch your holiday budget further. Toys can be one of the most expensive parts of holiday shopping, but there are ways to cut costs. Look for gently used toys at thrift stores, online marketplaces, or consignment shops. Retailers often have clearance sales in December, so keep an eye out for deals. Buying in bulk for multiple children can also lower costs. Avoid heavily marketed hot toys, as they tend to be overpriced. DIY projects are a budget-friendly way to add a personal touch to your holidays. Make gifts like homemade cookies, spa kits, or photo frames. For decorations, create garlands, wreaths, and ornaments using supplies you already have or inexpensive materials from craft stores. Websites like Pinterest and YouTube are great resources for tutorials and inspiration. Holiday feasts don't have to cost a fortune. Plan your menu around items that are on sale and use coupons to save on key ingredients. Focus on a few standout dishes rather than an elaborate spread. Ask guests to contribute side dishes to share the cost. Buying in bulk can save money and provide leftovers for future meals. Impulse buys can quickly derail your budget. To prevent this, shop with a clear plan and stick to your list. If you see something tempting, wait 24 hours to decide if it's truly necessary. Planning your shopping trips in advance will help you avoid overspending on unplanned purchases. Gift wrap and ribbons can add up quickly, but there are budget-friendly alternatives. Reuse gift bags or wrap gifts in materials you already have, like newspaper, magazines, or brown paper bags. Decorate them with twine, pine sprigs, or hand-drawn designs to give your gifts a unique and eco-friendly touch. Gift exchanges are a fun way to reduce the number of gifts you need to buy. Set a budget everyone agrees on and enjoy the excitement of a Secret Santa or White Elephant exchange. Add themes like funny gifts under $10 or homemade items for a budget-friendly twist. Many household items go on sale during the holidays. Stock up on essentials like cleaning supplies, toiletries, and non-perishable foods. After the holidays, take advantage of clearance sales on seasonal items like gift wrap and decorations to prepare for next year. Dining out can quickly eat into your holiday budget. Instead, plan easy, festive meals at home and reserve dining out for special occasions. Hosting potluck-style gatherings where everyone contributes a dish can also reduce costs while keeping the holiday spirit alive. Avoid starting the new year with debt by setting realistic limits on your holiday spending. Trim your gift list if necessary and focus on meaningful, smaller gifts. Consider opening a holiday savings account for the next year to ease financial pressure when December comes around. Starting a dedicated holiday fund at the beginning of the year can help you avoid financial stress. Set aside a small amount each paycheck and watch it grow over time. Automating these savings ensures consistency and makes it easier to handle holiday expenses. Many communities host free or low-cost holiday events like tree lightings, holiday markets, or caroling nights. These events are a great way to enjoy the holiday spirit without spending a lot. Check your local event calendar for family-friendly options. Get the best deals by comparing prices between online and in-store options. Use tools like Honey or Google Shopping to find the lowest price. Many retailers also offer price matching, so don't hesitate to ask for a discount if you find a better deal elsewhere. Hosting can get expensive, but a holiday potluck makes it affordable and fun. Assign dishes or let guests choose what to bring, and focus on preparing just one standout dish as the host. This not only saves money but also brings everyone together. Decorations can be expensive, especially if you're buying new ones each year. Borrow decorations from friends or family, or check rental shops for seasonal items. After the holidays, shop clearance sales for discounted decorations to use next year. Skip expensive store-bought cards and make your own. Use free online templates or craft supplies to create personalized designs. For a digital option, platforms like Canva allow you to design beautiful e-cards for free, saving money and time. Holiday travel can be costly, but booking early and using travel rewards can help reduce expenses. Be flexible with your travel dates to find the best deals. Alternative transportation like trains or carpooling can also cut costs significantly. Replace expensive outings with fun activities at home. Plan movie nights with holiday classics, bake cookies together, or host a festive game night. A holiday countdown calendar with free or inexpensive daily activities adds excitement without breaking the bank. Experiences can be more meaningful and often cost less than physical gifts. Offer to take someone on a picnic, host a movie night, or give a homemade coupon for a special activity. Look for local deals on workshops or classes for unique gift ideas. Review your subscriptions and memberships to find ways to cut costs. Pause or cancel services you don't need during the holiday season. Use the money saved to cover holiday expenses and reassess which services to keep after the holidays. Buying gift sets or bulk items and splitting them into individual presents can save money while allowing you to personalize each gift. Pair homemade items like cookies with small store-bought treats for thoughtful and budget-friendly bundles. Keep all receipts and request gift receipts for presents. Knowing store return policies in advance can save you time and money if items need to be exchanged or returned. Shopping at stores with generous return policies ensures flexibility. Pooling resources with family or friends allows you to give larger gifts like gadgets or experiences without overspending. Use group payment apps to streamline contributions and make it easier to coordinate. This is a thoughtful way to make a big impact together. Christmas and New Year's are a wonderful time to celebrate, but you don't have to overspend to make it special. By following these budget-friendly tips, you can enjoy the holiday season without the stress of debt or overspending. From planning your budget to saving on toys and making homemade gifts, these strategies will help you enjoy the season fully and start the new year on the right financial foot. Thanks for watching, and here's to a joyful, affordable holiday season. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with someone who could use these ideas, and subscribe to my channel for more money-saving tips and holiday hacks. Let me know in the comments which of these strategies you'll be trying this holiday season, or share your own tips to help others save. Thanks for watching, and here's to a joyful, affordable holiday season.